Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. I'm just checking in to see how you guys are doing, what you're doing in quarantine. Me, myself, is that another gum band? I'm gonna have to re-gum band my hairs. You can see it. But, seeing how you guys are handling quarantine and what you're doing. Me, of course, I told you how I'm handling everything is through prayer, meditation, exercise, trying to eat as clean as I possibly can. And I don't know if you guys can see, like my floors throughout. We're steam cleaning. That's what we're doing. We're steam cleaning our carpets. And wiping down our walls with Pine-Sol. I'm getting ready to change around my room, update the decor. It's that season. Change some things out, add some things, and you guys will be getting an updated video on that. I will be updating you guys on what I got for Mother's Day. And there'll be another video about my online shopping haul. I hope you guys are finding some positivity and creativity throughout our quarantine. I want you guys to be careful not to rush to the stores and stuff, especially when they first open, because you know people are going to be there in droves. Not everybody is respecting the law or the other person as far as wearing masks and gloves and doing the sanitizer and whole bit thing. Not everybody has clean hygiene. Not everybody is respecting the law or feels like they feel entitled not to. They're going out their way not to wear their masks, not to wash their hands. Those are the people we need to really watch out for. Those that think they're above the law and they want to hurry up and get back to work without it being safe. And I just heard somebody in our area threatened our governor to do him harm. I mean, come on, you guys. Come on. Really? 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 So, a lot going on. But I hope they open things up like your doctor's office or your dentist office. Stuff like that. The non-essential things I think should be closed. I don't think swimming pools and such should be open. That's just my opinion. I don't care what chlorine they put in the water. They don't know too much about this corona and don't know if chlorine will kill it. So, in saying that, I'm just self-quarantining. I'm still working and all, but as soon as I get done working, I'm home. I change my clothes on the back porch, put on my new clothes that I have out there, and come in the house. I leave my shoes that I've been out on the street out there. I'm not tracking that into my house and my home to my loved ones. I'm just not. Hand washing is essential. Hand washing, keeping your body clean, social distancing. Come on, y'all. I've had so many people up on my back in the grocery store where I had to tell them, get back. Get back. But I was doing that before social distancing because people want to try to get your credit card numbers and pins and stuff. They try to read your pin so they can go outside and jack you. I'm not the one. But, yeah, you guys, I want you to take a look at my curtains. These are the teal ones. I don't know if teal and the silver. That's going to change. That is definitely changing. I ordered some stuff later in the year last year that I knew that I would want for spring to change my room around. Well, it's almost summer, y'all, and I have yet to do that, so I think today is going to be the day to do that, partially. My reveal probably won't be for another 2 weeks because I'm really going to do the do what this girl does, honey. I can't just have step. I'm the DJ the diva, you know. And that noise you hear is my boys are still steam cleaning my carpets throughout. I don't know if you guys can see. The carpets are getting a deep cleaning. My walls, how nice. Lysol. Pine-Sol Lysol. Pine-Sol. Smelling very fresh, very clean. My blinds have gotten washed. My windows are washed, outside and in. We're really getting it done today. Really getting it done. An overhaul clean, you know. And since this has been going on, we do it more often. We usually steam clean our carpets every 3 months. This is the second time in 2 months we've did it. But, you know, with all this going on, you have to stay clean. My house smells like Clorox and Pine-Sol, and I'm loving it. Those are my 2 favorite scents, my 2 favorite disinfectants. So, I just wanted to touch base with you guys. Maybe Friday, I might do a haul. My online shopping haul, and what else did I want to do? Oh, my Mother's Day haul. I have to do that. I've barely opened some of my gifts, but you know, I'm gonna get to it. I want to save it for my haul. Okay, so I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Hashtag stay prayed up. Hashtag stay clean. Hashtag stay safe, stay home, stay alive. I love you to life. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Give me a comment in the comment section below. And give the girl a thumbs up. Give me some support. I'd like it if you subscribe. Even if you don't have a comment. Yeah, support your girl. This is DJ the Diva. I love you to life. Bye.